Hello, my name is Sophia, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about AcidaBurn before you actually buy the product. I also have two really important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about AcidaBurn is the website from which you will buy AcidaBurn, because the product is only sold on the official website. Unfortunately, many people are selling this product on unofficial sites like eBay, Amazon, and others. And when buying this product on unofficial sites, the product that the person gets is not the original one. And this can cause serious health problems. So, to help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. I recommend you to access the link after watching this video. So, what is AcidaBurn and does it really work? And the answer is yes. AcidaBurn works, and after many lab tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will dry your fats quickly and effectively. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with AcidaBurn, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you will be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test AcidaBurn for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for AcidaBurn to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, AcidaBurn has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy AcidaBurn from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that AcidaBurn actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.